Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've made it this far, take a breath for a second. Seriously. You've done a lot. By now, your funeral program is created, edited, proofed, and ready. And before we wrap up this course, I want to talk about something really important. It does not need to be perfect. This isn't a design contest. It's not a test. It's a tribute. What matters most is that it reflects love, remembrance, and intention, not flawless spacing or the perfect wording. A lot of people get stuck right at the end because they start second-guessing everything. Should I change this line? Is this photo the right one? Did I forget someone? That's completely normal, and it's usually a sign that you care, not that you've done something wrong. Here's something I want you to hear clearly. If someone reads the program and feels the love behind it, you did it right. Now let's talk about something else that happens a lot. Last-minute changes. Plans change, services get adjusted, photos get swapped, dates or times shift, someone's name gets added at the very end. If that happens, don't panic. First, ask yourself, does this change actually affect the meaning of the program, or just the details? If it's a small change, it's okay to let it go. Most people will never notice what you're worried about. If it's an important change, update what you can and remember this. Funeral programs don't have to tell the entire story. They just need to honor it. Also, give yourself permission to stop tweaking. There's a point where changing things doesn't make them better. It just makes you more stressed. When you reach the moment where everything is accurate, readable, and heartfelt, that's your stopping point. And one more thing. If something doesn't go exactly as planned on the day of the service, that's okay too. People won't remember if the program had a small typo or if the order shifted slightly. They'll remember how it made them feel. They'll remember the photos, the words, the care behind it. So if you're sitting there right now thinking, I hope this is enough, let me reassure you, it is. You showed up, you created something meaningful, and you did it during a really hard time. That matters more than perfection ever could. Thank you for trusting us to walk you through this. And if you need to revisit any lesson, take your time. This process moves at your pace, not anyone else's. We've been honored to share this time and knowledge with you, and we hope what you've learned brings you confidence and peace. We'd love to have you join us again in future courses whenever you're ready. Take care, and bye for now.